So we're going to start with a very easy and healthy deer curry recipe. We'll have our deer prepared here. Sweet potato, Mann curry paste, light coconut cream, passata, some spinach, salt, pepper, and some stock. So what we'll start with is preheating our pressure cooker, which we've already done. Grab your bowl out, make sure it's, be careful if it's very hot. Now what we're going to do is add our curry paste first. So curry paste goes in. Deer goes in. Just stir it around, get the deer covered in some of the curry paste. Add a small amount of salt and pepper. Perfect. Stir that through. Combine all of that. We're going to place this back on the heat for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're going to add in our sweet potato. So you're going to chop this sweet potato. Always make sure you have a sharp knife handy. If you don't have a sharp knife handy, get yourself a steel and learn how to sharpen a knife. Maybe don't put that part in. Now that they're nice and sharp, we can begin to chop our sweet potato. So we're going to start by halving down the middle, and we'll halve down the middle of that. So we've got our curry, and the pot's heating up nicely. So we're just going to get a little bit of colour on the meat before we add our sweet potatoes. Cut! Very important. Make sure you give your tin a very good shake. Oh, it's a boy! Oh. Cream. And some stock. Ready? So we've got our coconut cream and stock in here. We're just going to finish off with a little bit of passata. I'm going to put the lid on, put this on to pressure cook for now for 35 minutes. See you in 35 minutes. Minutes later, the deer and sweet potato is looking delicious. Now what we're going to do is add 200 grams of rice. Delicious. Now we're going to add the rice in. And press start. See you in 14 minutes. I can't remember which finger I used. Perfect. We're just going to serve some up. Salt, pepper to taste. Ready to serve. Yep.